Laying the foundation. The Thousand Islands Boat Company was founded in 1875 by woodworking brothers Horace and Marshal Welles on the St. Lawrence River in Clayton, New York. The region's emerging tourism and fishing industries created a demand for specialized boats able to navigate the river's channels and bayous. Gaining success. The company's early successes came from designing nimble and elegant watercraft like the 16-foot Delaware boat, which gained enormous fame for its durability, speed, and craftsmanship. Thousand Islands boats quickly became associated with luxury and attracted affluent owners at northeast boating resorts. Key productions. Some noticeable key innovations that cemented Thousand Islands' reputation included the lightweight Thousand Islands runabout, introduced in the 1900s, which combined beautiful mahogany exteriors with a fast, narrow hull ideally suited for threading through the region's islands. The company's proprietary construction methods allowed curving planked hulls. Post-World War II era. In the post-World War II period, Thousand Islands adapted to changing preferences through more affordable, family-oriented boats like the Skimmer motorboat and Vista Cruiser, while retaining meticulous craftsmanship. Fiberglass hulls reduced costs as well. Success in the 21st century. Recent decades have seen the brand diversify into pontoon boats and other modern recreational vessels using contemporary materials and engine options. However, a core focus remains on classic wooden boats through its Heritage Edition custom line. The company changed ownership several times, but maintains operations in Clayton. Current position. Today, the Thousand Islands brand represents a legacy of over 140 years of boat-building tradition, focused on elegant designs optimized for protected inland waterways and excellence in traditional boat building. Thousand Islands has preserved its manufacturing presence in its founding community, continuing to craft boats tailored to the region.